This movie will look at various model responses to selected questions, which are similar to what can be found in the IELTS speaking exam. Each response will be accompanied by explanations of relevant words and expressions used, if necessary. Do not memorize these responses word for word and use in the speaking test. You may be penalized if you do. What type of weather do you have in your country? As I come from a tropical country, the weather is always warm and humid throughout the year, usually ranging between about 22 degrees at night and 30 degrees in the daytime. We don't have seasons as such like they do in Europe. The main difference is that we have a rainy season from about April to September, while the rest of the year receives rain less frequently. November to February are generally the driest months, and also my favourite time of the year. As such here means in the usual or specific definition of the word, mostly used in spoken English. The speaker adds a personal observation at the end, which is fine. It shows that he can expand on the question that was originally asked. I come from a European country, so the winters can be very cold, and snow is common then. The spring is still very cool, but the days are much sunnier than in the winter. The summers are mild to warm and mostly sunny. We still get a few rainy days in summer though. The autumn is generally fine and cool. It is less likely to rain then than in the other seasons, so early autumn is probably the best time for planning outdoor events. Note the speaker also mentions that autumn is the best time for planning outdoor activities. However, while this is not directly related to the question, this is fine as the speaker addresses the question in detail first. That concludes your tutorial. If you want more help with your IELTS, go to www.myenglishexam.com.